Welcome to Career Spotlight, the channel where we explore exciting and in-demand careers that ignite passion and make a difference. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity and shedding light on the crucial role of cybersecurity specialists. As our digital landscape expands and threats become more sophisticated, the need for skilled professionals to safeguard our data and networks has never been greater. So, if you're fascinated by technology, have a knack for problem solving, and are ready to embark on a career that keeps you on the front lines of defense, then you're in the right place. Get ready to discover the world of cybersecurity specialists and the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest career insights and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an episode. Now, let's dive into the realm of cybersecurity and explore what it takes to become a cybersecurity specialist. Now that we've set the stage, let's explore the world of cybersecurity specialists. These skilled professionals are the guardians of our digital realm, working tirelessly to protect our sensitive data and networks from malicious threats. They are the unsung heroes who defend against cyber attacks, secure systems, and ensure the integrity of our digital infrastructure. In a rapidly evolving technological landscape, cybersecurity specialists are at the forefront of the battle against hackers, cybercriminals, and other nefarious actors. They possess an intricate understanding of the ever-changing tactics employed by cyber threats and use their expertise to devise robust defense strategies. From financial institutions to government agencies, businesses of all sizes rely on the expertise of cybersecurity specialists to safeguard their valuable assets and maintain customer trust. These professionals possess a diverse skill set that includes network security, ethical hacking, risk assessment, incident response, and more. They stay ahead of the curve by continuously researching emerging threats, exploring innovative security solutions, and implementing best practices to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. As a cybersecurity specialist, you'll be immersed in an exciting field that presents new challenges every day. You'll have the opportunity to work on cutting-edge technologies, engage in forensic investigations, conduct vulnerability assessments, and design secure systems. With each task, you'll play a crucial role in fortifying our digital defenses and preventing potential cyber catastrophes. So, if you have a passion for technology, an insatiable curiosity for problem solving, and an unwavering dedication to protecting others, a career as a cybersecurity specialist could be your calling. Join us as we uncover the intricacies of this fast-paced and vital profession. In a world driven by technology, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. As we become increasingly reliant on digital systems and networks, the threat landscape continues to expand, making cybersecurity more critical than ever before. In this section, we'll delve into why cybersecurity matters and the far-reaching impact it has on individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting sensitive information. It's about safeguarding our privacy, our finances, and even our physical well-being. Each day, cyber threats grow in sophistication, targeting individuals, organizations, and even national security. From data breaches to ransomware attacks, the consequences can be devastating, resulting in financial losses, reputational damage, and compromised personal information. Moreover, in an interconnected world, cybersecurity is essential for maintaining trust and confidence in our digital transactions and communications. Whether it's online banking, e-commerce, or social media interactions, we rely on the assurance that our data is secure, our identities are protected, and our interactions remain confidential. Cybersecurity professionals play a pivotal role in ensuring these essential aspects of our digital lives. Beyond individual concerns, cybersecurity has broader implications for businesses and governments. With the rise of digital transformation and the increasing connectivity of critical infrastructure, the potential for large-scale disruptions and cyber attacks on vital systems is a real and pressing threat. From power grids to healthcare systems, transportation networks to financial institutions, the need for robust cybersecurity measures is paramount to ensure the smooth functioning of our society. By investing in cybersecurity, organizations can mitigate risks, avoid costly data breaches, and protect their reputation. Governments around the world recognize the significance of cybersecurity and are implementing policies and regulations to ensure the resilience of their digital infrastructure. Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand to help organizations and governments navigate these complex challenges and stay one step ahead of cyber threats. As we navigate this digital era, it's crucial to understand that cybersecurity is not just an afterthought but an integral part of our digital lives. By raising awareness about the importance of cybersecurity and supporting the professionals who defend against cyber threats, we can collectively build a safer and more secure digital future. Becoming a successful cybersecurity specialist requires a unique set of skills, qualities, and a solid educational foundation. In this section, we'll explore the essential attributes and educational requirements that can pave the way to a rewarding career in cybersecurity. First and foremost, technical expertise is crucial in the field of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity specialists must possess a deep understanding of computer networks, operating systems, and various security protocols. Proficiency in programming languages, such as Python, C++, or Java, is highly advantageous for analyzing vulnerabilities and developing secure systems. In addition to technical skills, problem-solving abilities and critical thinking are fundamental traits for cybersecurity professionals. The ability to assess complex situations, analyze threats, and devise effective solutions is key to staying one step ahead of cybercriminals. Cybersecurity specialists must think like hackers to anticipate their tactics and develop robust defense strategies. Attention to detail and a meticulous approach are also critical in cybersecurity. The ability to identify vulnerabilities, detect potential breaches, and implement preventive measures requires a keen eye for detail. Cybersecurity specialists must constantly monitor systems, analyze logs, and perform thorough audits to ensure maximum security. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of the cybersecurity field. The landscape of cyber threats evolves rapidly, requiring professionals to stay updated with the latest trends, techniques, and technologies. Pursuing relevant certifications, such as Certified Information Systems Security Professional or Certified Ethical Hacker, can enhance credibility and demonstrate a commitment to professional growth. When it comes to educational requirements, a bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, computer science, or a related field is often preferred by employers. However, practical experience and specialized certifications can sometimes compensate for a formal degree. Many universities and institutions offer cybersecurity programs and courses that provide a comprehensive understanding of the field, covering topics such as network security, cryptography, ethical hacking, and incident response. While formal education is valuable, hands-on experience is equally important in the cybersecurity realm. Employers seek candidates with practical experience gained through internships, cybersecurity competitions, or participation in open-source projects. Building a strong portfolio that showcases practical skills and real-world problem-solving can greatly enhance job prospects in this competitive field. Remember, the path to becoming a cybersecurity specialist requires a combination of technical expertise, critical thinking, continuous learning, and practical experience. By developing these skills and acquiring relevant qualifications, you can unlock a world of exciting career opportunities in the dynamic and ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. If you found this section informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who are interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and career guidance. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, the demand for skilled cybersecurity specialists continues to soar. In this section, we'll explore the wide range of career opportunities available in the field of cybersecurity and discuss the potential for professional growth. One of the most exciting aspects of a career in cybersecurity is the sheer diversity of job opportunities. Organizations across various industries, including finance, healthcare, government, and technology, are in constant need of cybersecurity experts to protect their valuable data and systems from cyber threats. As a cybersecurity specialist, you can choose to work in-house for a company, as a consultant, or even in law enforcement agencies. Some common job titles in the field of cybersecurity include Security Analyst, responsible for monitoring and analyzing security threats, conducting vulnerability assessments, and implementing security measures. Incident Responder, in charge of investigating and responding to security incidents, managing the recovery process, and conducting post-incident analysis. Penetration Tester, conducts authorized hacking attempts to identify system vulnerabilities and helps organizations strengthen their defenses. Security Engineer, designs, implements, and manages security systems and infrastructure to protect against cyber threats. Chief Information Security Officer, holds a leadership role, responsible for overseeing an organization's overall security posture and ensuring compliance with security standards and regulations. Career growth opportunities in cybersecurity are abundant. With experience and continuous professional development, you can advance to higher-level positions such as security architect, security consultant, or cybersecurity manager. Leadership roles in cybersecurity management, where you oversee security strategies and lead teams, are also within reach. The demand for cybersecurity specialists is expected to continue growing rapidly in the coming years. According to industry reports, the global shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals is projected to reach millions by 2023. This talent gap presents a significant advantage for individuals seeking a cybersecurity career, as it leads to increased job security, competitive salaries, and ample opportunities for advancement. To stay ahead in this fast-paced field, continuous learning is essential. Cybersecurity specialists must stay updated with the latest technologies, emerging threats, and industry best practices. Pursuing advanced certifications, attending cybersecurity conferences and workshops, and actively participating in cybersecurity communities can help you stay at the forefront of the industry and enhance your career prospects. Whether you're just starting your journey in cybersecurity or looking to take the next step in your career, the field offers immense potential for growth, job security, and a rewarding professional experience. Embrace the challenges, expand your knowledge, and make a lasting impact on the security of organizations and individuals in the digital age. And there you have it, an exhilarating exploration of the world of cybersecurity specialists on Career Spotlight. We want to extend our sincere gratitude to you, our viewers, for joining us on this journey. Your passion for finding meaningful careers and your interest in the cybersecurity field inspire us. Now, it's your turn to take action. Are you ready to embark on a career that is in high demand and plays a critical role in protecting our digital world? But wait, the journey doesn't end here. Career Spotlight has a treasure trove of captivating videos waiting for you. Explore our channel to discover more exciting career options, gain insights from industry experts, and find your path to professional fulfillment. Start by acquiring the essential skills and knowledge through specialized training and educational programs. Stay updated with the latest cybersecurity trends and advancements. Remember, cybersecurity is not just a profession, it's a mission to safeguard our data, privacy, and digital infrastructure. Join the ranks of cybersecurity specialists and make a difference in today's interconnected world. Don't wait, take the first step towards an exciting and meaningful career in cybersecurity. Subscribe to Career Spotlight for more valuable insights, tips, and resources. Together, let's defend and secure our digital future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore the other captivating videos on our channel.